My name is Emily Boulin, and I want to empower beauty lovers everywhere by sharing a few of my favorite DIY hair coloring tips and tricks on behalf of Sally Crew. Squeeze your favorite Sally's conditioner into a non-metallic bowl and apply the conditioner along your hairline with a long tail bleach and tint brush before beginning any color service. This will help keep any residual color or lightener from staining or processing the skin beyond your hairline. This hack will also help you secure any loose hairline foils from falling during your application. After completing your first foil, just give it a light pat onto the conditioner and it will be secured in place like glue. Use a color line that can be applied like a conditioner in the shower for an easier cleanup and application process. This allows for any future touch-ups to be a part of your daily routine. Be sure to heavily saturate the hair and comb your color product through to secure a soft and even application. Be sure to check back this month to see more tips, tricks, and tutorials.